So don't be upset if you are not perfect. You can make a Yes guys, do you want to make your face like this? Then I'm gonna give you 3 exercises which you can make your jaw look so sharp. Yes guys, it's Vishnu here, back with new video. So how you all doing? Hope fine and great. So just follow me, subscribe my channel, like my video, and please watch the video by the end. So without making further ado, let's get started with today's topic, which is how to fix our uneven jawline or uneven face. Before I talk about those 3 exercises which you can fix your jawline from, I need to tell you one thing. You don't have to be upset if you are not perfect. No one in this world born perfect. Every single one, from mediocre people to celebrity, every single person, we have some body part which we are not happy from. And we fix this with surgery, with too much care. Your body part is which you are not happy with, even though it's a face or whatever, it's completely normal and you can fix this. Usually our jawline, when you see some faces, like you can see this, so when you see uneven face like this or that, whenever you see uneven face, it happens due to bad habit. Like suppose we are sleeping on one side for too long, or we are chewing food from only from one side. Okay, although it happen, you know, when we are age 1 to age 5 or 6, although it's completely our parent responsibility to take care of our look, because that is the time, you know, when we are growing, means age 1 to age 5, that time our body, our bone is so soft and so delicate. With too much care, our parent can sharp our nose or make our chin good with good massage. But now those who have completely got their face uneven or jawline uneven, they can fix still with exercise. Either you can do with exercise, or you can wear braces. Too much locking, poking, you know, it's too painful and too long process. So leave all those complications, and I'm gonna give you some exercise. Just do that and you will soon see the result. So, number 1 is correct tongue posture. Correct tongue posture. You have to keep your tongue all the time roof of your mouth. As you can see in this picture, you have to keep your tongue on the roof of the mouth all the time. You have to, like suppose if you're keeping tongue over here, so what happen? Your front jaw comes up. When you will keep your tongue all the time up, so that is how line get full time to be aligned, to be in shape, that you can be perfect. It is our teeth which doesn't allow our jaw to be in perfect alignment. You have to have this habit, you know, this is more of a habit than exercise. You must make a habit of keeping your tongue all the time of the roof. So remember, keep all the time your tongue touching with your roof of your mouth. So that is how that maxilla, is simply I can say roof of your mouth, will get pressure to come forward, and your face or your jaw will be completely even. Second exercise is downward stretching. This what you have to do. Simply just take your both thumb, cheekbone. You just find your cheekbone, okay? Both thumb must be under cheekbone, and then stretch your mouth like this. Do this for 10 seconds. Take your both thumb right after your cheekbone. This is cheekbone, okay? Right after your under cheekbone, then stretch your mouth. So that is how you will get cone shape, or your chin will be out. We people, we give that much importance on being white, being handsome. We don't understand. Color is not what determines your look. I can show you some picture. As you can see this, he's a black in color, but he's so handsome. Don't you want to be like him? He's a black but still handsome. Or you can see this, white but ugly. White but ugly, black but handsome. That means color is not what determine our look. You must understand. We are so doing something which is impossible. Color is not something you can, so far only few I know who have changed their color, and they also died. Like Michael Jackson, he changed his color, but what happened? He died, right? Try to do something which is possible, and you will see the result even. Don't try to do something which is hard and which is impossible. Leave the color. You can be beautiful without changing your color. Just walk on your cuts, People look good with their cuts, not just color. As I just shown you, white but still ugly, black but still handsome. So choice is up to you. Third exercise is lateral exercise. Before I show you how to do it, you must understand why this happened. Usually what happen, usually we chew from one side, all of you, except some of you. What we do, we just chew from one side. I'm chewing from left side. So can you imagine, it's been 20 or 25 years, I've been keep chewing from one side. So when we chew, we use this muscle. So this muscle is so hard and this muscle is so soft, okay? So in this exercise, you can see which muscle, which side of your muscle is hard or which side of your muscle is soft. You have to stretch your chin toward left, then toward right. Then you will find out which side is soft, which side is hard. So simply you have to do 10 seconds for this. Keep pressing your chin toward left side for 10 seconds. Okay, then try right side. When you will try either of one side, will be very hard to do. Like for me, when I do this, it's easily happen. But when I do this, it's very hard because I chew always from this side. So this side of muscle is very hard, very strong. That is why, our face get unevenness. Suppose this is soft, so over here I will do once. But here is very hard, so this side I will do twice or thrice, like this. Remember, which side is easy and soft, just do once, and which side you chew your food from, that side you have to do twice. So that's all you have to do. So these were the 3 exercises which you can do it, and you can fix your jawline, and you can make yourself look representable. You can make you look good, beautiful, handsome, whatever. That's what I'm saying. Or beside of all this thing, if you are really in rush, then go and wear braces. Go and wear braces. No one is perfect. We have to make ourselves perfect. So don't be upset if you are not perfect. You can make yourself perfect. You can make yourself beautiful. You can make yourself handsome. And for that, color is nothing. Color is not the thing which determine how I will look. I'm not disrespecting or insulting. All I'm saying, I know people with white color but so ugly, or I know people with black color and so handsome and so confident. Color is not what determine our look. Our face cut is. And face cut can be fixed. You can wear braces, or you can do these 3 exercises, and you can make your face so sharp, so sexy, and so handsome.